Hello guys, hope so you will be fine. Today topic what is numerology and the basic number. First of all, I'll tell you what is the meaning of numerology. Numerology is number of science. Numerology is the study of numbers and their influence on a person's life, personality, behavior, strengths, challenges, and life path. Numerology is a system that uses numbers from your date of birth and name to understand your personality and life. What is a basic number? A basic number comes from your birth date. In numerology, how to calculate a basic number? Basic number is represent your personality, behavior, strengths, weakness, natural talents, the first impression a person makes on others. And other example. But first of all, in numerology, how to calculate a basic number? Add the digits of your birth date until you get a single digit. Example, if your date is 2, the basic number is your 2. If your birth date is 16, so 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So your basic number is 7. If your birth date is 28, you are born on 28. So method 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Then 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. The meaning of this date of birth, the basic number is 1. What does the basic number show? The basic number helps us understand these qualities and traits already I I tell you. The basic number helps us understand personality traits, behavior patterns, strengths and weaknesses, natural talents, the first impression a person makes on others. For example, a person born on the 16th has a basic number is 7, cause 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, which is often associated with deep thinking, research, intuition, and spirituality. So, in simple words, the basic number describes who you are on the outside and how you interact with the world. The basic number tells us how you act and behave with people. The basic number, who you are on the outside and how you interact with the world. Thank you.